Hello, teacher, again. My name is Bernardo Mercedes. Now I'm going to pronounce the sound O from the unit 16. The word says father, father, wand, wand, anchor, anchor, bureaucracy, bureaucracy, cut, cut, doll, doll, onion, onion, lock, lock, option, option, knowledge, knowledge, honor, honor, honest, honest. The sentence is rocks is found of dolls. Roth is found of dolls. John got an honest job. John got an honest job. Bob stopped in the shop for a mop. Bob stopped in the shop for a mop. His knowledge of crops is obvious. His knowledge of crops is obvious. I'm going to compare the sound O and the sound O. Hot, hot. Body, body. Cup, cup. Rod, rod. Shot, shot. Pot, pot. Got, got. Not, not. The sentences with the two sound says her brother got a hot supper. Her brother got a hot supper. Some chats are optional. Some chats are optionals. Body dropped the hot cup in the shop. Body dropped the hot cup in the shop. Stop fussing and come up. Stop fussing and come up. It's okay.